Good morning, all of you. Happy to see you again. Hope you all are good at your home. Yes, that's great. Kids, do you know today we are going to do something very interesting? Drawing and coloring. An interesting part is today we are going to draw something using capital letters A, B, C and D. So are you ready for that? Yes? Okay, then follow ma'am and draw something interesting using capital letters A, B, C, D. Look at this kids. This is capital letter A, B, C and D. And using these capital letters, now we are going to draw something very interesting. Okay? So let's start with the letter A. So for that, first you have to write a capital letter A. Slanting line. Again go on top. Draw another slanting line. And draw a sleeping line. This is capital letter A. Now kids, join these two ends and draw a sleeping line. Okay? Look at this. Now it's just look like a triangle. Now from the middle, draw a long standing line like this. Now give some gap. Draw another standing line. Same length, okay? Now join these open ends, okay? Draw a small sleeping line. Now it's just look like an arrow. Very good kids. A is for arrow. Now using your crayon, color it. Okay? You can erase this line also. But if you don't want, then don't erase and color this. Okay? And it's done. Look at this kids. A is for arrow. This is a picture of an arrow. Now tell me what comes after A. Yes, you are right. B. This is capital letter B. Now using this B, we are going to draw something very interesting. So for that, first you have to write the letter B. Make a standing line. Again go on top. Make a curve. And from middle, draw another curve. Now kids, from here, give some gap and from here, draw one more standing line. Okay? And from here, on the top, draw a curve just like the C. Again, one more just like the letter C. Now, join here and draw a small circle. Now, draw two slanting lines. Okay? Now tell me what is this? Yes, you are right. Butterfly. B is for butterfly. Now kids, you can draw something here to decorate this butterfly or you can color simply. Okay? So take your crayon and color this butterfly. B is for butterfly. So first write a B and then draw a standing line. Go on top. Draw a C curve. Again one more C curve. Join small circle and two slanting lines. And it's very easy to draw a butterfly, isn't it? Yes. So color it. And it's done. Look at this kids. B is for butterfly. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. Now what comes after B? Tell me. Yes, you are right. C. A, B, C. So, for this drawing, first you have to write the letter C. Okay? Very good, kids. Just like a curve. Now, join these ends and draw opposite curve. Okay? Look at this, kids. Now it's just look like a circle. Now you have to write C and join it here. Okay? This way you have to write C. Can anyone guess what is this? No? Wait, I will tell you. Draw two small circle. Okay? Now a smiley curve. Now draw two slanting line. One slanting line, another slanting line, and two small circle. Now, can you tell me what is this? Yes, you are right. Caterpillar. C is for caterpillar. Now, draw small legs. Two. Okay? Now it's ready to crawl. This is caterpillar. C is for caterpillar. Now, you can color it using your green crayon. Okay? So do it. And it's done. So using C, capital letter C, you can draw caterpillar. Isn't it interesting? Yes. Now tell me what comes after C? Yes, you are right. D. This is capital letter D. So, for any drawing, first what we have to do? Tell me. Yes, first we have to write that letter. So, first write a D. Standing line and draw a curve. This is capital letter D. Very good, kids. Now, draw a C-like curve and go up like this. C-like curve, go up and touch this here. Okay, join here. And one small curve like this. It's little bit hard, but I know you all can do. Isn't it? Can you tell me? Can anyone guess what is this? No? Okay, just wait. Oh, it's a cartoon dog. D is for dog. D is for dog. Isn't it interesting? Using D, you can draw a cartoon dog. So kids, now color this dog. Okay? And it's done. A is for arrow. B is for butterfly. C is for caterpillar. And D is for dog. So, kids, enjoy this drawing. Hope you have enjoyed this drawing activity. Now it's your turn. Do it at your home and share your beautiful activity pics with me. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.